guys. Okay, so I probably won't stop with the cheesy intros because that's just who I am and you can take it or leave it. I don't really care. I'm doing this and either I'm your person or I'm not, and that's okay. So anyways, let's get into the video today because I think it's a really important concept. And so I can't take credit for this. I actually read it in Trent Shelton's book a couple weeks ago, but it really kind of hit home with me and it made me think about how a lot of people I interact with on a daily basis treat themselves, and it was kind of heartbreaking for me a little bit. So anyways, the idea is that we treat ourselves the way we perceive ourselves. So if we do not think highly of ourselves, we don't treat ourselves very well. If we think that we are unhealthy slobs, then we continue to eat unhealthy and eat junk food and don't work out. If we think we are the greatest thing ever, then we have a pretty big ego and expect everybody else to treat us really well too. If we're humble, then usually we treat ourselves fairly humbly as well. So you guys kind of get the idea. But it's a really important concept because what it actually is that if you aren't thinking very highly of yourself, then you aren't going to treat yourself that way. And so the idea is really to start changing the way you think about yourself, and then you will change the way you treat yourself, and then you will change how you accomplish things in your life because you will have higher or different expectations for yourself. So if you're telling yourself that you're not good enough, or that you're not smart enough, or not beautiful enough, or you're too old or too young, or whatever it is, wipe all of that out of your head and start over and start thinking about, wow, I'm in the perfect spot to do XYZ, whatever it is you want to do with your life. I'm in the perfect spot to start my business. I am in the perfect spot to learn how to run so I can run that half marathon. Whatever it is, start telling yourself that you are good enough and start thinking about yourself in a more positive, better way, and better things will start happening in your life. You'll start treating yourself better. You'll have higher expectations for yourself, which means that you will end up being more motivated to accomplish the things that you actually want to accomplish in your life. Ooh, sorry, allergies. Fall in New Mexico. Anyways, it really, really does change the way you think about yourself. It changes the activities that you'll do in your daily life, and it'll change the accomplishments that you achieve throughout your life. It will also change your relationships with your loved ones, with people in your community, with your coworkers, and so on. So it's a really, really important concept to think about. So today I'm going to challenge you to write down how you actually perceive yourself. And I want you to be really, really honest here. Be honest. Are you good to yourself? Are you harsh on yourself? And do it for all the different aspects of your life, not just the general picture, but how are you about who you are and what you've given to the world? How do you perceive yourself health-wise? Do you think that you eat too much junk food? Do you think that you're lazy or a slob? Or are you great at working out? How do you perceive yourself when it comes to education and career and your success? Be really, really honest and actually write those things down. And then think about how you might start changing, debunk those thoughts if they're negative thoughts, or find supportive things supposed to support the positive thoughts that you might have. Give yourself a good half an hour to go through this, each aspect of your life, and really start to understand how you perceive yourself. Because I will say it again, the way you perceive yourself is how you treat yourself. You are amazing. You have so much to give to this world, and let me know how I can support you through the process. Comment below, message me, DM me, email me, whatever it is, get in touch and let me know how I can help you and support you. I'm here for you, and I love you guys lots. Talk to you soon. Bye.